So, you're building out a van, but you want to stay away from more permanent features like a kitchen. We have the perfect solution for just that with our very own modular galley. Hey, I'm Andrew from TOURIG, and today I'm going to go over the specs and features of our modular galley and why it might be a perfect solution or alternative for your own van. Designed with easy use and installation in mind, we made our modular galley to accommodate all your needs from cooking, cold storage, and water usage. It comes complete with a steel sink and faucet, slide-out drawer to accommodate a Dometic CFX3 35 or 45 fridge, and hidden fresh and gray water tanks. The best part, you can remove or install it whenever you want, and all it requires is a simple 12-volt thumb socket plug to be powered. Let's hear a little bit more about this product from Nick, a technician here at TOURIG who builds these out.
How's it going, folks? My name's Nick. I'm a production technician here at TOURIG. I specialize in cabinetry, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the modular galley we've been building this past year. One of the things that these modular galleys accommodates is a 45 and 35 liter CFX Dometic cooler on the sliding tray here that sits right above the 15-gallon water tank, a electric water pump, and the water system funnels out into a 9-inch sink that's coming out of a faucet that is also mobile, so you can move it up and out of the way, left to right. And sitting alongside the faucet is the water fill that connects directly to the 15-gallon water tank via hose, and then that of course gets pumped back through the system. From there, that sink is draining into a gray water tank that can then get easily removed, just held down by a strap. And above the gray water tank that sits right here, there's a little bit of extra storage up top below the sink. And this whole system is powered by a 12-volt thumb socket on the rear end of the modular galley itself that plugs directly into the electrical system. Being a modular galley, we made sure that this thing could be brought in and out of a van with great ease. There's just a few mounting points on the ends of the galley, and then when it does want to get moved out, we have L-tracks attached to the side that makes it pretty easy to just attach some straps. 2 people hike it right out of the van.
Now this galley was built in mind for those who have an ever-changing lifestyle and prefer a more modular layout. Here's Craig with some ways you can use the galley in your own van.
Well, the modular galley is good because you can take it out of your van, and if you want to leave it in your garage, you can get a plug so you can plug it in and fill the tank and utilize the sink and the cooler if you want to have your beers in the garage cool. Some people want to use their vans for multiple things, not only having a weekend of adventure. They might want to use it as a work van or utility van, and when you're able to remove the galley out, for one, you're not going to damage it, and for two, it gains you the full floor space so you can utilize your van as a utility vehicle that it was built to be or meant to be.
For more info on the TOURIG modular galley, feel free to visit our site and pick up one for yourself today.